Hello, welcome to our channel. Today is December 19, 2022. Heavy snowfall in Japan's Niigata prefecture hit cars stuck in traffic. Many people were stranded. After many years, record snowfall was recorded in some regions and cities. The images shared on social media also captured the difficult moments of the citizens on the cameras. Snowplows and other search and rescue teams go to difficult areas. Share news tell. National Highway 8, passing through Kashiwazaki City, Niigata Prefecture, has been intermittently blocked for 20 kilometers since the morning of the 19th due to heavy snow, leaving some people stranded. The Hokuriku Regional Development Bureau of the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism started distributing relief items such as food to drivers around 2000 in the evening. A support team from the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism's Hokuriku Regional Development Bureau has begun distributing food and other relief supplies to drivers on National Route 8 passing through Kashiwazaki City, Niigata Province, where some stalls are occurring. A support team will also be dispatched to investigate the situation and distribute relief materials. The car stopped working around 2:30 p.m. or even 8 p.m. according to a man in his 40s who was caught in a traffic jam due to heavy snow on National Highway 116 near Nishiyama-cho, Kashiwazaki City, Niigata Prefecture. The car is said to move intermittently for several hundred meters, but there were times when it did not move at all for about 3 hours. On the other hand, cars are said to be flowing towards the city of Nagaoka in the east direction, although the speed is slow. The man tries to stop the engine as much as possible while the car is stopped so that the gas does not run out, and when he feels that the inside of the car is cold, he starts the engine and turns on the heater. Reduce idle time. For now, do not forget to subscribe for news developments such as new and current developments. Thank you for listening to me. See you.